Hey guys, Brett here, and today I want to show you a new feature that we added to Fancy Forms that a lot of members have requested. So we have our custom form here, and it does integrate with the three autoresponders, Aweber, GetResponse, and MailChimp. And we also have the download CSV option if you have another autoresponder that we don't directly support that will accept a CSV upload of your list. However, a lot of customers still asked for the option to be able to embed their own custom form code. And I wanted to add this option. So what you can do now is you can see the border around the form. So you want to right click on it just like you were going to edit any other type of widget. And this will bring up the form's options menu. Now in here, you can edit the form's code yourself if you want, or you can just go ahead, select it all, cut it, and then paste in your own custom form code. Now, the thing to keep in mind is if you paste in your own custom form code, the options on the right-hand side here, where it says form and button to edit it with the sliders and the color pickers, will not work then. The custom form will display exactly as you paste it in there, and our system will not be able to edit it because it's not code that our system recognizes. However, this is an option if you want to enter your own custom code. Another option for this is actually you can then just get rid of the form. So you can use this just for some type of pop-up if you want. For example, you can go ahead and right-click on it and cut out the code, click Save Form Code, and then completely get rid of the opt-in. And that way you can use Fancy Forms for something other than opt-ins. Perhaps you don't want to have an opt-in. Perhaps you just want to have a link. Uh, Something I do want to keep in mind though is that once you press this save button after editing the custom code there, that is it. The page is saved and you cannot revert back without reloading your template or recreating your page. So what I strongly recommend that people do is when they cut out their custom code, they open up Notepad and they save their custom code to Notepad. So that way if you want to revert later, you still have our original code saved for later. Finally, I also want to give a little bit of a warning. We cannot support custom code. So if you're entering custom code in here from your autoresponder or maybe from a programmer or some other source and it's not working correctly for you, we cannot support it. I mean, quite simply, we just cannot support code that's not our own. So be sure that you know that you want to do this before you do it, and be sure that you save our original code so you can always revert later if you need to. While this is a slightly advanced feature, it is a feature that will be something that is usable for the more advanced marketer. If you have any questions, please feel free to click the help button on the right hand side of your screen. I'm always glad to be of assistance when I can. Thank you and enjoy.